Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how we can easily leave any groups in Google Groups. Let's begin. First, go to Groups. Then once you are here, on the left section, I want you to click on My Groups, all right? Then it will list all of the available groups that you have joined so far, all right? Let's say, for example, this is the group you would like to leave. On the far right side, if we're going to hover onto this icon, it will say leave group. So click on it. It will say, are you sure you would like to leave this group? Definitely yes. Click on this and you are done. However, for some reason, if you cannot get that option over here, what you can do is go into the group, like click on it, go to about, then you will have an option to leave group right over here. So click on it, same, yes, I would like to leave this group. Just wait for a few seconds, and there you go, you're done. Shows in here, content is unavailable because you have successfully left the group. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.